Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best matcha powders in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Ippodo Tea, Kyoto since 1717, Sayaka. Rich Matcha, 40 grams can. Sayaka Matcha is from Ippodo, a family-run Japanese tea company with a long history dating back to 1717. They offer more than 30 blends of tea, and their Sayaka Matcha is known for its exceptional light and slightly sweet taste and medium body with a hint of umami. It has a vibrant green color and smooth texture and is made from shade-grown and stone-ground tea leaves. It can be enjoyed on its own hot or iced and with milk or non-dairy milk. It is a great choice for matcha lovers of all levels, but especially for beginners due to its subtle flavors. Number 4. Matcha Ceremonial Grade Matcha Green Tea, First Harvest Organic Japanese Green Tea Powder, Matcha Tea from Uji, Japan, 30 grams / 1.06 ounces. Matcha offers hand-picked USDA organic matcha sourced from farms in Uji, Japan. The tea is made from finely ground, shade-grown tea leaves. Matcha uses first harvest tea leaves, which are known for having a richer green, vibrant color and a well-rounded sweeter taste that is slightly grassy and earthy but still smooth. There is approximately 60 milligrams of caffeine in each serving, higher than some others we've listed here, but still lower than the approximately 95 milligrams found in a cup of coffee. It also contains 24 milligrams of the calming amino acid L-theanine. The combination of these attributes, plus the low price, makes this our choice for best value. Number 3. Jade Leaf Organic Ceremonial Grade Matcha Green Tea Powder, Authentic Japanese Origin, Tea House Edition Premium First Harvest, 1.06 ounce. Jade leaf is shade-grown and offers both ceremonial and culinary grade matches. We taste-tested the ceremonial grade, which is grown in the Kagoshima and Uji regions, both popular areas for cultivating matcha. This pick is USDA certified organic and CCOF organic, as well as Whole30 approved for those following the dietary plan. It contains approximately 30 to 40 milligrams of caffeine per serving, or the equivalent of 1/3 of a cup of coffee. It has a light and very smooth flavor, making it the perfect choice for an iced latte or served hot or with milk or non-dairy milk. Number 2. Naoki Matcha Superior Ceremonial Blend, Authentic Japanese First Harvest Ceremonial Grade Matcha Green Tea Powder from Uji, Kyoto, 40 grams / 1.4 ounces. Naoki Ceremonial Grade Matcha has a smooth and mellow taste with minimal bitterness and is another recommended choice for beginners. It is also a suitable option to be used in lattes and prepared using more water to make a thinner consistency or thin matcha tea, as the company recommends. It is grown in the popular matcha region of Uji, Japan, and made using leaves from the first harvest, which are favored for their robust flavor and quality. This was one of our Nutrition Pro's favorite picks because of the well-rounded flavor profile. According to the company, each crop of tea is tested for a different source of contamination, including radiation and heavy metals, and the Japanese government also conducts independent purity tests. This is our runner-up choice for best value because of our reviewers' enthusiasm for taste while still relatively low price. Number 1. Kyoto Do Matcha Organic Premium Ceremonial Grade from Japan Matcha Green Tea Powder, radiation-free, non-fillers, zero sugar, USDA, and JSS certified organic 30 grams, 1 ounce tin. Grown on an organic farm in Uji, Japan, Kyoto Do Matcha uses shade-grade, first-harvested leaves to produce a well-balanced matcha. The USDA-certified organic tea leaves are stone-ground into a powder that produce a naturally sweet and herbal flavor tea with a slight bitterness. The matcha is tested for radiation and heavy metals with lab reports available on the company website. This pick is low in caffeine, with each serving of Kyoto Do containing 25 milligrams of caffeine. Our Nutrition Pros appreciate that the company offers a full nutritional breakdown of their matcha on their website. Enjoy this one hot or iced.